Welcome to Felted Table Talk. This video, the 2-4 rule.
So the 2-4 rule is this. It comes up all the time. It's the most basic math. It's easy to learn, so you're going to understand this very, very easily. The 2-4 rule basically gives you the percentage of your draw hand. So if you say have a club draw, there's 2 clubs on the board, there's 2 in your hand. There's 13 clubs altogether, which means there's 9 clubs left in the deck. 9 existing cards to hit my flush. All I have to do to calculate my odds are multiply that by 2 and 4. It's times 2 for every street of value. So every time the next street is, you multiply it's 9 times 2. So I have an 18% chance of hitting a club on the turn. I have an additional 18% of chance to hit a club on the river, which I finally get there on the river. If you go all in ahead of time, then you're going to see 2 streets. So you multiply that times 4, which is 36% if you get jammed on or you have to jam, okay? So it's 2 and 4. The number of outs you have times 2 and 4. So here's some basic percentages that come up all the time. You'll need to know these like clockwork. Of course, you can calculate these, but by the time you're finished doing this a few times, you're going to know them by heart, okay? So if I've got 2 overs to a board with 4 or 5 deuce, I've got 2 overs. That means I have 6 outs. Okay, 6 times 4, which means I have a 24% chance by the time the river hits of hitting one of my ace queens, okay? So if you've got 2 overs, your percentage is 24% to hit one of those 2 overs. Again, if you're on a flush draw, you have 9 outs to the flush draw. You have 9 outs to the flush draw times 2 and 4 means you have a 36% chance of hitting your flush by the river. Okay, if you have a combination draw, this is by far the very best hand you can possibly have in poker if you're going to be drawing, okay? A combination draw basically means I'm on both a flush draw and a straight draw. As you can see here, I have 5-4 deuce, 5-4 of clubs, and I have 6-7 in my hand, okay? So that gives me the flush draw. We know a flush draw is 36% chance to hit, right? We also have 8 outs to hit a straight, okay? Any 3 or any 8 here makes us a straight. However, the 3 and the 8 of clubs has already been calculated into our 36% for your flush draw. So you have 3 more outs to hit your straight draw with this combination. So you have your 9 flush draws and you have 3 more outs to hit your straight, which means you have 15 outs. So 15 outs times 4 is 60%. So if you are on a straight flush draw right now, you are 60% chance to hit either a straight or a flush.